Do I want
That's a
to
long
start?
part. All right, we can start.
Are we starting with 14?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just so you guys know, I did read over and do a little bit 14, but somehow my days have gotten crazy. So I'm working on a lot today because I have nothing today.
Yeah, I did 14 not 2 days ago, and the review this morning, so see how it goes.
I haven't done
I've been
anything
doing 2 lessons in one day.
That's what I usually do, but I've had very little motivation for things right now, which is bad.
Okay. We all good for the quiz now?
Yeah, I'm just downloading the Excel files.
Yeah, I just did the same thing.
Okay. So question 3 is true, right?
Yes.
Because the null hypothesis is always the same, is that they're equal.
Yeah.
And question 4, the requirements are data in each group are normally distributed and variances are equal in each group.
Yep.
Okay.
I can't remember if there were only 2, right?
Yeah.
Variances are equal in each group, and data in each group are normally distributed.
Oh, okay. I'm thinking about the differences between the 2. Okay.
Okay, number 5.
Question 5. I thought it was to construct a Q plot, a QQ plot.
Yeah, that's what I put.
Okay.
Yes.
Question 6 was the largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest variance, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
That rule.
But yeah, that's the one.
Did you guys get 6 praise for 7?
Yeah, I think it's 6. Yes. Socks?
I'm wondering
That's
the
not a
same.
shoe. I think you put in there because it says for a total of six groups.
Yeah.
So I think it goes in there.
Yeah.
But I was like, wait. Is it a
Yeah,
trick?
it goes in there.
No, because it says.
So the minimum variance 27.208.
For variable 3. Gotcha.
Yeah.
And the largest is 53.15.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And it's data. Yes.
The test for equivariance is satisfied for these data.
Yeah, he uses data plural. That's weird. It is, right? Because number 10, because the lesser is
Mm-hmm.
less than
Wait,
4
which question?
times. Number 10?
Oh, yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
It's satisfied. Yeah.
How do you construct a QQ bot? Have we been given any of the any tools?
It's
in
in
the- Go ahead.
It's in the first Excel spreadsheet, the quantitative difference procedures.
Descriptive statistics.
Descriptive statistics, yeah.
It's the second tab over on the bottom, the second page.
Mm-hmm.
Quantitative statistics or inference procedures?
Descriptive.
Yeah.
But it only gives us one place to put data.
Yeah, you have to like duplicate the tabs.
Yeah, I was trying to copy and paste it into my Word document. I do it all on the computer, and it would like replicate all of them and change all of them to the last one I put in. It was really weird. Very frustrating.
How do you sort? There it is.
They all kind of have the same line.
Right.
Yeah.
right. Which I'm on the last one right now. Okay. So yes, true to number 11.
Yeah, I think so.
Remove socks.
Let's do an SPSS.
Mhm.
You got 0.309.
Yeah.
That's what I got.
Stop it. Stop it. Don't want that. There. Delete. There we go.
And then
What was the
Should be
answer you
back.
got when you removed socks?
0.307.
Uh-huh.
The p-value is to
Was it
the right.
What?
What do you say?
Was it? I got 0.309.
Me too.
0.309. Yeah. Okay.
And then yeah, Chase it was to the right for 13.
The right on question 13?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's what I got. 14. 1 second.
No nap today.
Okay, I'm back.
Calories first.
Wait, is it calories or sodium?
Calories first, it
yeah.
says.
Calories.
Let's examine calories first.
Oh, okay.
So for 14, the assumptions are met, right? I did the 3 QQ plots and they're all the same, I think.
I'm almost done.
Yeah, I've got one more to put in.
Which one did you put?
The met, because the variances are meet the rule, the 4 times rule, and
So assumptions have been met.
yeah, because the QQ plots are also all basically online there.
Okay.
I agree.
Okay.
Okay.
Put it to-
So for 15, we reject the null,
Mm-hmm.
Because it's less than.
which means that we have sufficient evidence.
They have a different mean number of calories.
Yeah. So the 4th one, right?
Yes.
Because it's not all 3, it's at least 1.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I
Yeah.
didn't do that before.
Okay.
Where's the
Sodium.
QQ plot?
It's making me want hot dogs. We went to Winco the like 2 days after the 4th of July, and they're because they had like so many that they prepared for the 4th of July, and it was like I think it was they were like 45 cents for a thing of 8 hot dogs.
Wow.
Man.
Not bad.
And so it was over 100 hot dogs. It was like $5.
Crazy.
So we bought a ton of that and ate a bunch of hot dogs that they had left over from the 4th of July.
Yeah, for the 4th of July, for the fireworks.
No, in the morning, and so we just stayed in Rexburg and went to sleep. It was awesome.
Yeah, I went down the Bear Lake and then I was supposed to go do it afterwards, but we're just like tired from the lake, so we decided not to go.
I would say the assumptions have been met on 16.
You said which one?
The first one, on question 16, the assumptions have been met.
Okay. Yeah, I'm so.
I just did the last
Facing the last
QQ
one.
plot, so
Oh, okay.
it does look like they've been met. Number 17 makes me wonder.
Yeah, it does.
Let's look up a Kiki plot then for poultry.
But the p-value anyways is 0.179, right?
Yeah, that's what I got.
79.
Okay.
1.79.
So we do not have sufficient evidence to reject the claim.
Yes.
So the second one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see how we did. All right. Easy money.
Woohoo. I thought this lesson was very easy. Because you literally just plug it all in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One to understand. Because it's always the same alternative and null, and there's no question about it.
Mhm.
Yeah.
15.
Mhm.
Ugh, that's a lot of data files.
How many?
4.
Or ugh. Okay.
I think this quiz will basically be just,
Everything.
yeah, like, okay, when do you two sample t-test? When do you use a paired sample t-test? When do you use a one sample? All that stuff.
I think it's the same as the review. In 15.
Mhm.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Well, I'm ready when you guys are.
Okay. What's number 2? Conference interval.
Second one.
90%.
You're 90%
You're
confident.
90% confident that the true mean heart rate is between 45 and 105. I went back and made sure that was it. Just to make sure. Um, then question 3,
Mhm.
I picked the third one. Yes, the distribution of the mean of each sample is normal since the data have been determined to be normal.
Yeah, that's what I put when I did the review.
Sorry, I was still reading it. Which
I
one
got-
did you say?
The third one.
Okay.
Yes, the distribution of the mean of each sample is normal. So I got that question wrong, a similar question wrong in a different quiz.
The sample size is below 30, right? And isn't that the
Yeah.
For question 3, the sample size is 35.
but it's a 2 sample test.
True. Oh, yeah.
It's not paired because but it is 2 samples, so I don't know.
All I know is that I got this question wrong in a different quiz, and that was the
Okay.
right answer. So that's why I picked it. But it says they created QQ plots of both random samples and
Are
see
normal.
if they are approximately randomly normal.
Okay,
So
it doesn't matter. It gives you the right answer after.
yeah, it does.
So.
Okay. So number 4,
So which
put-
one did we decide?
the third one for number 3.
Okay. Just making sure.
Number 4, I put also the third one, but the confidence interval with difference in means using
Mhm.
independent samples.
Yep, that's what
Yep.
I put. Wait. Which study was this?
I don't think this has
There
an
wasn't
Excel
one. This
file
was
with it.
just like conceptual.
Yeah.
Wait, what? You guys are all talking at once.
There is no file. It's just
There is no file.
it's good.
Oh,
with
it
all
was
the-
just that up there. Okay. Okay. All right.
It's the last one, right? The increase in.
Yeah, with more sample size, with a greater sample size, margin error go down.
Mhm.
Wait, obtain the balance of 90 bank customers rather than 30?
Rather than 30.
Okay. That's what, yes, that's what I put. Was this question 6 on the review?
This next one, number 6.
Yes.
It was number 5, but like we use the
Was it
information.
number 5?
Yeah, because like you have to get the margin of error first, and before you could set the limits.
Mhm.
So it came out to be like 1.96.
That's what I got as well. You just have to use the information given in the question. There's no Excel file with it.
So the summary statistics instead of the data points.
I'm trying to find where I wrote it down.
It's just the same as the z-score because it's just divided by 1 in the formula.
Yep.
Because of the square root of 4 is 2 and the standard deviation is.
Let's see.
Wait, what was question 6? I'm trying to find it.
Determine the margin of
6 is
error.
1.96.
1.96?
Mhm.
Oh, okay. Okay, I think I know where I'm going.
The lower bound. Number 7.
The lower bound I got is 198.04.
Yep.
And then
Yeah.
the upper bound is 1,000.96.
Yep.
Okay.
$1,000 what?
1001.96. Okay. Number 9. I got 38,416.
That's what I got.
Okay. 38,000 what?
416.
Okay.
The first one on question 10.
Smaller than advertised. Would it be less?
Yeah.
Or did you say fourth? It sounded like you said first.
I said the first one. I just realized I got that wrong though. I was reading over it to make sure I got it right. Glad I did.
Yeah, less than. 11. Statistical test. Reject the null if it is less than.
P value is less than alpha.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one's the one I didn't know on the review when I did it.
Statistics.
I said yes. I don't remember why.
That there was enough data.
Let me read it again.
Well, ANOVA doesn't say, it just says that the variances have to be somewhat equal and that it's normally distributed. Reading about in, like the rule of 30 or whatever. But that could be a general rule for distributed things. I'm not sure though.
Oh, in the reading it says the data for each apartment building are bell-shaped with no outliers. So it's normally distributed. I actually don't know.
Yeah,
Yeah, because like the definition doesn't really help us with what they gave us. So when I did the review, I just said there's not enough data. But that
Yeah,
could
I
be
agree.
Well, we'll
They
see.
only gave us.
just know at the end.
If it's no, they don't have enough data, then the rule of 30, 30 sample size. So either way, we'll know what it is for the exam.
Yeah. This one was a type 1 error, wasn't it? Question
Yeah.
13.
Mm-hmm.
And then 14, it should be by reducing the probability of committing a type 1, we increase the probability of committing a type 2.
Wait, I just got finished reading type 2 error.
Oh. For 13, it's a type 1.
13 is a type 1. Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Number 2 type 2. Okay.
$14. Isn't it when reducing the probability of a type 1, the type 2 error can increase?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm not sure how to do 15. I know you have to find the p-value, but that when you're not given the data.
So we're just solving for the p-value. So
What's the formula for p-value?
the 1.53 minus 1.5 divided by 0.17 divided by the square root of 100, and then type that t value or the t square into the applet. And for that z-score, I got 1.765.
Mm-hmm.
And
That's
then
what
I
I
plug
got.
that into the applet, and got a p-value of 0.04. So it's less than the
1.765.
The area is small.
So we reject the null.
we reject the null hypothesis. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Good thing we do this stuff. 16.
be independent sample t-test.
Yep.
Mhm.
This is dependent sampling for 17, right?
Yeah, it's the last one.
The last one. Sweet.
It's the first one, right?
1 second. My daughter's playing with the cord. She shouldn't be playing with. Did you see the first one?
That the confidence level interval for mu when standard deviation is unknown.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I picked. I got the lower bound of 11.168 for
Yep.
20.
There's 2.025.
Margin of error was what?
2.025.
Lower bound was
11.168.
Sorry, I skipped one.
making sure I got it. 'Cause that's what I have. Just make sure.
And the upper bound was 15.217,
Yeah.
right?
hmm
Yep.
Okay.
Oh my.
So 22 is difference of means independent samples.
hmm
Yep.
That's what I got.
Oh, I thought there was. I opened up this Excel document and there was it for some reason. I don't know if there have been in other ones, but I just noticed it now. So I was
Some of
like,
them do have them, but they're just mostly blank for
Yeah.
whoever did the study. The information's on there. Okay. The lower bound, I got negative 423.
Yes. I just typed that in wrong. You said negative 423?
Yeah.
Oh. I got the upper bound of 5,417.
Yep.
wait for. I haven't got this data over yet. I copied it wrong.
This is 2 sample. Right.
Yeah.
That's price that we're doing.
And lower bound. What do you get for the lower bound?
I got negative 423.238.
And then 5,417.336 for the upper bound. So
Okay. Good.
What were the decimals?
For the
I
which
didn't
one?
say it too. Oh yeah, that's it too. Round to 3 decimal places.
Oh, for the upper bound.
0.336.
326.
Oh, it's the lower
Okay.
bound?
I didn't have them written down.
Yeah.
Lower
And then the
bound
lower one was 0.238.
negative 423.238.
Okay.
Awesome.
Mm. Don't jumping, no jumping.
This
I'm
one's a no,
joking.
right?
It has to be.
Yeah, there's 3.
Yeah,
Nothing else has 3.
that was easy. And then the test statistic. I don't know if you guys are done.
Oh, getting them.
Okay, that right. Okay. No statistic. For the test statistic, I got 9.035.
Mm, that's not what I got.
Let me see.
I got 7.978.
That's what I got.
Or which one? The test statistic?
Yeah, question
26.
26.
Did I paste it in wrong? B. 7.978.
7.978. Yeah.
Did it in wrong.
7.978.
Yes.
Okay. That's what I think I got.
P-value of 0.002.
0.002?
Yeah.
For the p-value? Yeah, that's what I got.
So we reject the null. Sufficient evidence to. Oh wait, where is it?
Conclude that the bone density between all groups are different.
Sufficient. No, so it's just one of the
Oh,
groups.
at least one.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so it's the fourth.
that's what I meant. Sorry.
The fourth one?
At least one of the groups.
Cool.
You guys think this class is easier or harder over the 7-week break?
I kind of like the quicker pace of it because I'm like, if this was
Spread out over.
spread out, I feel like it would just feel like it would drag on.
Yeah,
This
I
is the
guess
only
it's
class I'm taking,
different.
so I can just focus on this.
Yeah.
I guess
so-
it's different when you have a baby to take care of.
Mhm.
I'm actually
The hair
benefits to
kinda-
both.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like if I had this class along with 4 other ones that I was in, like all of this would get mixed up and I'd end up forgetting a lot more stuff. It might be harder.
hmm
All right. Direct flight costs.
It gives me something to do.
This one is a
Dependent.
dependent, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Because it's the same place.
Test statistic.
1.685 is what I got.
Easily.
Okay. For the test statistic, what'd you get?
1.685. Yeah.
That's what I got.
P-value, I got 0.096.
P-value got what?
0.096.
So then it's greater than.
Is it greater than or is it not equal to?
What's less than?
Because they just say if they want a difference, so that just means not equal to, right?
Yeah. And that would make it.
Well, it's just below. So there is sufficient evidence to conclude that there is a difference of mean. Which one is it?
1.
Yeah.
Yes, the second one.
Mm.
Okay. Statistically speaking, we probably missed one.
Probably.
Else we'd have a left skewed bell curve. I got all of them right.
Yeah, I got all of them right also. Sweet. Oh, wait, no, I missed one.
I missed one.
I missed 12.
12, yeah.
That's one that we were debating on.
Yeah, that's the one I picked. There is enough data.
Okay. You know which one that is?
And do we want to open up the final project thing that we have to do again?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go ahead and do it.
We'll go back and edit that.
Should have approved our thing. So we could have got it like in week 2. Are we
I
gonna
know.
do the chocolate chip cookie thing?
I'm cool with that one. It seems one of the easiest ones we can do with
Yeah,
the limited amount of time we have now.
Let's do that one. I'll have to go buy some next week because I'm out of money this week.
Okay. I'll remove all the Gmail stuff. Sad.
Yeah. That's okay though.
Are we gonna do? We should do it per every single.
Wait, what was that? You
What
cut
you
out.
We should do it. How many chocolate chips are in every single bag? Because if we do the whole bag, we only have a sample size of 4. Because we'll each get 1. But if we do each cookie, we'll have a lot higher sample
Yeah,
size.
That makes sense.
each cookie.
Will that change our it's number 6?
Which one? What now?
For number 6, would that change our hypothesis? Or no? Our method?
So it's still quantitative.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, it would be
No,
it
yeah, I
says
would
one
hear.
sample.
Yeah.
So it's 3 or more samples now. Oh, I guess if we did it separately, but
Well, yeah, that.
never mind. It is 1 sample.
Yeah, just one sample. Because like being over 1 would be like the
I couldn't hear you. There was a shuffling of microphones.
I was saying, yeah, it would just be the same. I was thinking it might have been ANOVA, but then, yeah, Kristen said it's just 1 sample.
Yeah, and then question 7.
Response variable from 4 again. Did we have anything there before?
Response variable.
Yeah, I don't remember what that is.
Response variable. That was in the what lesson?
Look it up.
But there's wait, response variable. Would it be just how many?
It's in
I don't know. I'm trying to figure out.
I'm looking at my notes to see if I can find it.
I just googled like what is a response variable, which is another term for dependent variable.
Isn't it just the number of chocolate chips?
I think so.
Yeah, it probably is.
Number for our null hypothesis, like, is equal to like what we think it is, or
I think it's
10 or something.
10's a good number.
yeah, we could do that. Wouldn't it be equals 10?
Do 5.
The null
or
hypothesis can't be greater or less than.
No. 7.
7. Okay, sure.
And not equal to 7.
Oh, and then what kind of sampling is this then? Because it's not simple random sample. We could pick like one box. So it'd be
We'll probably do the
stratified.
whole box though, which would be a convenient sample.
Let's just do. Yeah.
Well, I mean, if we each picked a box,
Okay.
one thing, and then we each picked 10 separate cookies in it, we'd have 40 samples. And that means we did a simple random sample within other groups,
So
Okay.
like
right?
stratified.
So that would be
Simple stratified, or yeah, stratified.
Listen to.
stratified.
Does that sound good, or?
That's fine. Then I don't have to crush up so many cookies.
Yeah, right. I was thinking about that the other day. How are we gonna find out how many chocolate chips are in there if we're just gonna eat them?
Crush.
I was gonna get the chewy ones because they're easy to break apart.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I was gonna ask, should we do the chewy ones or the other ones? I don't
Chunky
really
ones,
like
you know?
the chunky. I don't like those. Chewy.
Yeah, I'll get chewy.
Chewy. Yeah.
We have to get all the same size thing, right?
Yes. What is? I'm gonna look at Walmart to look at the size.
I'm on Walmart, and the one I'm looking at right here is 13 ounces. Let's see if you get the same thing.
How many ounces?
13.
15? Okay. Write that down.
Okay.
The family size is 19.5. We don't need that. Yeah, the standard seems to be 13.
Yeah,
So
looks like
I'll
that.
try for that.
Okay. And it's the red package.
Yeah, the red one.
They're actually cheaper than I thought they were gonna be. Huh.
So you say we're just gonna take like 10 out of each box?
Perfect.
That's great. um, do you guys want to do 10? We could do 15 too.
15 sounds good.
Or, I mean, 10, you're
Are we
breaking up
randomly
less,
selecting?
you know.
Mm-hmm.
But
Less to break up.
How do we randomly select?
How to eat.
So we have bias. We can't randomly select it. A computer has to do it.
oh,
There's like what, 2
Um,
columns of cookies in each box?
yeah.
So
Well,
if we
if
start from
we-
one point and choose every third cookie.
That'd be
Yeah,
a
you go.
different sample. Wouldn't it? That'd be a systematic sample.
Oh yeah, that would be. So stratify.
Well, I mean, we could dump all the cookies out on a plate and just pick out 10.
Yeah.
So just like a convenient sample.
That's a good idea. Go to random.org.
Mm-hmm.
So leave them in the box and pull out that number.
Yeah.
Okay, I like that.
Mm-hmm.
It's 10 or 15 each.
Let's do 10.
Okay. Okay. Enough for the directions. It's number 10 again.
Um,
I'm reading the text. Like from the
I'm
reading?
looking it up. So this is lesson 11, difference, sigma, 1 mean unknown.
So it's explaining the method we use, which is the stratified sampling. Right? No. The quantitative one sample. Oh.
Okay, I found it. That's an 11. Oh, come on.
Now we just go and submit this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Electric bills are expansive.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This month. It's insane.
My parents were talking about the utility bills yesterday because I came back home for the summer. And they're like, why is it so high?
Yeah.
I gotta go back down when I'm gone.
Oh, geez, that bill didn't even include August. That was just July. We used it a
Was it
ton
really hot?
Yeah, the beginning. Well, because we were gone all of last week, right? First week of August, we're like, we'll just use it a lot right now because they're going to be gone while for a week, and so it'll like balance out. But we use it so much because it was really hot the first week of August, and so
Oh man.
I think we used it more, so it'll be even higher. Oh well. So, quiz on self-reporting. We're allowed 5 attempts. Apparently.
Don't forget to submit it again for word design.
Oh, so someone submits it and then we do a quiz?
Yeah,
Yeah,
we all submit it.
I did the quiz. I got a D apparently. What the heck? Why is that? I answered. I just answered how we're supposed to. study. Why'd I get a D? I don't like this.
He said he has to go back and, because it's being all funky, he has to go change stuff again.
I want a D.
No one wants a D.
It's for a project too. I think.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So we all upload the document and then we all take the quiz.
Yes.
Okay.
No, ours will not.
So we submit it as a PDF.
I did not
Oh, wait,
submit one.
Somebody did.
Oh, yeah.
Did
It
someone
says some
just-
students. Oh, for some reason, it has given everyone
think this
a
is-
D.
Can everyone get an A? You're talking about the announcement that he put?
Yeah, it's in his announcement.
Someone just uploaded theirs, right, to design the study.
We all have
Like-
to.
It's already there. It says it's already been submitted.
Yeah, for me, I clicked on there and it says
That was our
under discussion.
original one. This is our. We have to submit our new one.
Well, there was one submitted
That was the
2
second one.
minutes ago,
Is it discussion board?
but no, it's not a discussion board. It's a Dropbox. It looks like something.
Yeah.
Or what it used to be.
There's already was in there a previous one and the one that was just
Yeah.
submitted.
Weird. I know it's a Dropbox, but I'm like, I don't think it connected
It must.
us, I
So-
guess. I don't know.
Did anybody else do the quiz though? That's on this week's.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got a D.
Yeah, I don't know. It's been weird.
I am not happy about it.
He has to go back and change things anyway, so.
He's like, follow this calendar.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I guess I'll go and take it some other time because it says it's not due till the 26th.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, for now, wait to take the quiz until after I have approved your project.
Mm-hmm.
Whoops.
At least we have more attempts. Yeah.
So I guess we're done until next week, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good luck on the exam, everyone.
Yeah.
Yep. Have
I
fun.
know. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.
See ya.
You too.
Yeah.